Most people think data changes minds. It doesn't. Stories do. I've spoken at Google several times. On one of my visits, I caught up with Avinash Kaushik. He's a globally recognized expert in data analytics. He liked to call himself Google's chief storytelling evangelist, and for good reason. Listen to what he told me behind the scenes about the power of stories to convey big ideas. What struck me was his passion for the topic. Here's a guy who has discovered the secret. What's fascinating to me is that your background is data analytics.
Yes.
You love data.
Oh, I do.
But you love storytelling just as much.
Yes. Exactly. And for me, what is amazing is even though I've written all these books on data and things, I want, what motivates me is changing the world. And it sounds so terrible, like cliche.
But
change the world.
But changing someone's fate.
It is. For me, if we create all this data and amazing insights, and in the end, I'm less successful in getting you promoted as the person who's using the data or get your company to be bigger, broader. I actually still consider it a failure, even though I took you from petabytes of data to the 4 slides of insight, even though that is hard. But at the end of it, that doesn't make me happy. What makes me happy is having the kind of influence that changes the way you think about your customers, the way you think about marketing, the way you think about logistics. And that's why I'm interested in telling stories, because the size and scope of change I want to drive is so big. And I think that it is best done with stories.